Hi again, it's Steve from Stapling and Nailing Supplies, mytoolkit.co.uk. Coming today with another blockbuster. If you don't enjoy it as a blockbuster, then phone's ringing as well, but we're going to carry on with this video. Don't email us, it's just a tool demo. 21 gauge brad nailer, electric. And a 21 gauge, as you probably know by now, is a very, very fine head. Slightly smaller than the 18 gauge, goes up to 30mm, which is a good length, inch and a quarter in old money. Goes right down to half an inch, 12mm. Now if you're a flooring contractor, ideal for those expansion beading, putting those on. The furniture industry, I've seen it a lot used on fascia board, on three-piece suites, chairs, sofas, but a very, very universal pin, so any sort of beading work, etc. But of course, with it being 240 volt, use it in a workshop, or you can take it on site. And it opens up just like an air tool. Open and slide magazine, got the lock there. Drop the pins in, that's the maximum. The reason why I put the maximum in, I want you to see a 30mm pin being fired home. Because the problem is a lot of electric tools, they'll say fires up to 30mm, and unless you're firing through butter, they stand proud and you have to finish them off with a punch. So there we go, slide them in, lock it up, and you're ready to go. Adjustable depth of drive, there's a knurl knob there, just below the trigger assembly, and that adjusts the safety in and out. You may have seen it on other videos, and by doing that, your adjustable depth of drive, it holds the nose of the tool closer or further away from the surface. So you can have it nice and flush, or just countersink, especially, excuse me, if you go wood fill. Being electric, does have its own isolating switch on the rear of the tool, and it also has a no-mark tip. The first one I looked at it, I thought there was one missing, but they've actually got them on the side here. Take off that no-mark tip and you can just place that over the nose. I'm going to put it the right way round this time because I did wrong way before and it just popped off. So there we go. And that no-mark tip, if you were working with soft wood, say pine or something, pressing that metal safety down, you could just bruise and make an indentation on the surface. So you can choose to put that on or not accordingly. And I've fired the 30mm pins with the no-mark tip on, no problem at all. The reason why I say that, the no-mark tip can put a little bit more distance on there. And it fires in, as I say, no problem. Length of cable, I mean this one's actually well over a metre. Probably goes outside the screen now. And again, I see a lot of electric tools with far too short a cable attachment. And there we go, it comes in a blow moulded case. I'll connect it to the old electricity supply. Put the 30mm pins in. A little bit of soft wood here, just fire that in, well below the surface there. And that is about mid-travel, actually, on the depth adjustment there. I'll put that little bit of ply over the top. That's nice and flush actually. So that's a 30mm pin, which is well over cooking it for that, which is an inch and a quarter. So there we go. 21 gauge electric tool, ideal in the workshop on site. So hope that's of interest. See you again soon.